we have the start lesson, the complex plan. I will show you it how the crop and we wanted two line is for imaginary axis and left is real axis. This one we start it line for this complex plan. Okay, we do start this one. Now we start to finish a line. Imaginary axis. We have the left is real axis, and we have the 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Right, we write 180, down 270, left 360, up 90. We write z equal x plus yi. Practic 2 and 5 practic. G equal 2 plus 5i. We have to write g equal x plus yi equal practic r cos 0 and practic plus practic r sine 0 practic I. And we write Cartesian form, and we have the r cos plus like this, it's polar form. Z equal r practic cos plus sine 0 practic, and we have to write the 0 and to write 2i is the argument of z. I will give you question. Is g equal -3 plus 4i in the complex plan, and to write an expression for d in polar form. So we want to do it a line like this. We finish a line, and we're going to give you the example. Is g equal r practic cos 0 plus I sine 0 practic. Here it's writing in 1, and this one is 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 4. So we write this number in line. How many we have? That -3 plus 4i. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We found it is -3. 1, 2, 3. This one -3. We're going up is 4. This is 4, and this is -3. We have it. We write the point is -3. We're going to 4. We're going to 4 to 0. This is 0. And half number is 4 and 5. This is a real axis, and this one is imaginary r action. Equal x power 2 plus y power 2 equal practic -3 power 2 plus practic 4 power 2. We do it like this, and we write equal, we do it like 25. R equal 5, and we have another is cos equal -3 out of 5, and equal in cos in practic -3 out of 5 equal 126.9, and we have a sine equal 4 out of 5, or sine minus 1 4 over 5 equal 53.13 equal الأنسر is 53.13. So I have another example for this question. I will give you, we have z equal 1 minus 3i. We have bracket 1 and minus 3. So I will show you, we do it like this line, and this one 2, and this one is 1, and this one is 3, and this one is 4. We started in this graph, and I have another time in this one. We have it 180 minus, and we have this 0 is, we have equal 180, we have 360, and we do it like d equal in x plus I y, because we have the like we have the I, because we did it x plus yi, so we do it in new x plus iy. Okay, and we writing z equal r in cos plus I sine bracket. We write is sine equal, we have the opposite out of height. We have is cos equal adjective out of height. So we have a sine and cos, sine and cosine, and because in sine it's number the opposite like height, and the cosine is adjective في الhypothetical, like we did it number like this that example. So I have a new question. We did so I have a new question is z equal r cos plus I sine equal to cos 300 plus I sine 300. We start, I will give you the example. We have it r power 2 equal x power 2 plus y power 2. Now we write an equal bracket 1 out of 2 and plus bracket minus 3 bracket power 2 equal 1 plus 3. That we found it with this number is answer equal 4. Equal 4 is answer r equal 2. And now we have another is cos equal 1 out of 2 and equal cos minus 1 and 1 over 2 equal is 60. That's it. I have another question is 3 minus 4i. We do it as z equal r cos plus I sine bracket. We do it at r power 2 equal x power 2 plus y power 2 equal is bracket 3 bracket power 2 a plus bracket minus 4 bracket power 2, and do it like this. its answer is 25. R equal 5. That's the answer. And I have is cos equal and 3 over 5. And equal is cos minus 1 3 over 5 equal 53.1. And we write this how many it together is 360 minus 53.1 306.9 equal is z equal 5 cos 306.9 plus I sin 306.9 practice. That's it. I show you this example. We have another question is two number is z attribute. Right, is z equal for practice cos 40 plus I sin 40 practice and W equals 6 practice cos 120 plus I sin 120 practice. We have two ZW and DW like this. We have ZW and Z like W like this. We have the cut. And we have number write this one the attribute together 24 practice cos practice 40 plus 120 because we have to write 24. How to do it to find the number 24? We have to write this 4 with so we write 4 6 multiply 6 equal 24. So we're 24 in practice cos is 40 plus in 120. We have this 40 with 120. We go to practice plus I sin practice the same number 40 plus 120 practice. So we write it the same number is 24 and the practice cos. How to find that answer now? We didn't write this number the same. It's 40 plus 120. No, we want to find its number together. It's 40 plus 120 equal 160. It answer 160 plus I sin 160 practice. That's it. That's answer. Now we want to show we have we write z out of W equal. We want to how to find the z out of W. We do it is number 4 the same and 6 the same. We write 4 out of 6 in practice cos. And we want to find we want to write the same number 40 plus 120, but now another GW. We want to write 40 minus 120. 40 minus 120 practice plus I sin practice the same number 40 minus 120 practice. And we write equal we write the answer equal for our 4 out of 6 practice cos. And we write we want to find it it's 40 minus 120. We write 40 minus 120 equal minus 80. We write answer is minus 80 practice plus I sin practice minus 80 practice. And another we write equal and 4 out of 6 practice cos bracket we want to write, we write number 360 and minus 80, because we have the minus 80, we write is 360 minus 80 equal 280. So the answer is 280. A bracket plus I sign a bracket 280.
Thank you very much.
That's it.